Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Canberra, Sydney. So you can see we have removed the transfer case of this car here. There's the transfer case right there. We have removed that. Okay. So now I took the exhaust off, you can see, and the drive shaft, cutting shaft, the back's off for this Macan turbo. All right. So now let's have a look at the actual transfer cases right here. This is the transfer case. This is the old one. I've got a new one in the box. I just want to show you the oil leak I found as well. We mentioned this oil leak on the last service before. Starting to leak from the cam cover on this side here, on the left hand side bank. But now it's getting worse. I can see the oil it's leaking everywhere. So what you gotta do, I'm gonna tell the customer so we can fix it ASAP, because what happens is when you have an oil leak, when they leak into plastic and rubber and things like that, the oil can eat the rubber or swell up the rubber or the actual fittings, especially AC fitting like that. See that one there? This pipe here, it's an AC fitting. They can actually swell up and start leaking over time. All right, because the actual oil goes inside the actual crimp fitting there, that one there, and they start to expand, they leak. Anything rubber can get damaged from oil over time as well. So it's leaking from this side here. It's not, I don't think this side is leaking, but I've got to look from the top as well. Looks all right this side here. It's just the actual left hand side. But usually when I do it, I have to do both, because when one leaks, the other one will follow. All right. So we'll do that first before we do anything else. And tomorrow we'll get the new transfer case, fit it, and press the new rubber, new carbon coupler as well to be pressed in and things like that, and then we'll go from there. All right, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.